Camera's still on now? Yeah? Alright. What's going on, everyone? Hypercill's back. It's been a long time since I made a vlog. What is going on over here now? God, there's always some bullshit. Go around, people. Go around. Turn your steering wheel. There you go. Come on. Don't stop. Yeah, it's been a long time since I made a vlog. My camera hasn't been really working too well. Every time I would try to record, it would just shut off after like 5-10 minutes, just on its own. No explanation. Empty SD card, full battery, all that fun stuff. Still didn't want to work, so I gave up. I was like, you know what? Fuck this camera. I'm done. I'm not gonna buy another $300 camera. So I had two options. One was buy a knockoff, or a cheap GoPro, but it had to have external mic. So that was my big key. So either buy a new knockoff, or a used GoPro or some stuff like that. I don't know. Or take this one apart and hope it works. So I took this one apart and rebent some connections. I just tightened stuff up, I guess. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, and it seems to be working fine. And oh my god, I hate that dip right there. And yeah, it's been working fine so far. I did a few test runs and it stays on, so good for me. But anyway, today is December 31st, 2018. Currently 6:43. It's actually sooner than that because I set my clocks ahead, so it's probably like 6:35 in the fucking morning. And how should I say this? Because I can't. It's too early for me to think like this. Where am I going, you might ask? And I'm on my way to work. 6:30 in the morning. I'd be there at 7 or sooner. So that's, oh shit, I'm in the wrong gear. So yeah, I'm on my way to work. And now that I got my camera working, ooh, damn, went a little too leaned a little too much on that one. Just want to wish everybody a happy New Year. It's 2018, about to be 2019 in 12 hours, so just want everybody to have a happy New Year, be safe, be careful out there. There's a lot of idiots that don't celebrate it for the right reasons. So hope everyone had a good year. 2018 wasn't too bad for me. It wasn't the best, but wasn't the worst, I should say, so I'm thankful for that. I'm really, really wishing and hoping and praying that 2019 is better. And I do the same for everyone else. Do a little 100 pull for you guys. Oops. Nope. Alright, let's do it. Here we go. There it is. It's probably the last time I'll do 100 in 2018. And another thing, if you guys are wondering why my voice sounds like this, I was sick the past couple days, so another reason why I hate this stupid cold ass weather. Got me wearing a t-shirt, a hoodie, another hoodie, a motorcycle jacket, and a windbreaker. Seriously, what the fuck is that, you know? But it is what it is. See, I was sick the past couple days. My wife's car ignition was fucked up, and I was trying to, excuse me, I just burped. Trying to fix that while being sick. Not fun. Yeah, you're not letting me. Like that. So at least I'll start off the New Year's the right way. Not sick. Just getting over it today. Today's the last day. So yeah, not much else to say. Just gotta work on this day. Whoa, what the fuck? That's dangerous. This guy wants to tailgate. He's gonna regret that shit with my lights. The beautiful thing about holidays like this, Christmas, New Year's, 4th of July, everybody is gone out of this city. Look at this guy that was tailgating. So he's in a hurry. Now watch this. This is where I love it. Watch this. So I'm gonna drive normal, even though I'm a little close to this guy. Watch. You wait, you'll see. You'll see. Watch this. Oh, look! Karma at its best. Look at that. Idiot. That's one idiot that didn't leave California. But yeah, everybody leaves California. Everybody goes back home, quote unquote, where they call home, with their families at. Where everybody makes a living out here. Just out here to live and live in LA, really. Be proud of that. I wish everybody who went home stayed home. Everybody, the whole country would kind of be filtered out, you get me? It wouldn't be like overcrowded in certain areas. At least that's my guess, if you want to call it. So maybe I'll do a wheelie for 2018. Nope. Didn't want to do it that time. I peeled out, actually. I'm waiting for that idiot in the minivan to come zipping by me. Probably won't anyway. Oh. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave you on that note. Happy New Year. Hope you guys have a great one. I'll look forward to seeing you guys in 2019. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.